My parents were poor. They used to struggle to provide for me.
Boss yourself. We have all walked the same journey, don't worry.
To provide for me and my 27 siblings. So I went to a local school known as Takaungu Primary from 1993 to 1991. And Mr. Chairman, I proceeded to Ganze Secondary School. Regrettably, I had to drop out due to lack of school fees. And Mr. Chairman, I have touched a little bit about my family. And that explains how we used to struggle and the lack of school fees. So, Mr. Chairman, I was at home. There were absolutely no prospects to expand my horizons. So I was just there. And little did I know the sad fate that most of the rural girls face awaited me with open arms: early marriage. So, Mr. Chairman, I got married off. And in that union, I became a mother of my firstborn. Mr. Chairman, I must say that this is one of the practices that must be curbed, because it's very harmful and painful to the girl child, especially those underage. Mr. Chairman, I was not content to be a housewife. So I took a keen interest to matters affect communities, especially the vulnerable in the society, and becoming a vocal voice in youth, in women, and people living with disabilities. So I decided to join active politics to be able to make transformation in society through policy making. And in 1997, I contested and I was elected the first woman